You want to make a clean, simple thumbnail using your mobile device? Then in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys on how to make just that. Let's get started. Hello guys, I'm Jenric Aquino, I'm about tips and tricks. I'm a YouTuber who helps YouTubers, specifically about mobile video creators. Now, if you're new here, then don't waste your time. Subscribe and click the bell to never miss a video that I upload. Having clean, simple thumbnails for your YouTube videos is very important. It's because it's the great way for your YouTube video. It's the thing that makes people want to click on your video. Because if you have a very great video and you don't put a clean and simple thumbnail to it, then you're not gonna get the click that you deserve. So make sure you have a clean and simple thumbnail. And the reason why I said clean, simple thumbnail a lot of times is because data has proven that clean, simple, and easy to look at thumbnails are the one that gets more clicks. You don't want your thumbnails to be cluttered. You don't want your graphic elements in your thumbnails, your text, or whatever thing that you're putting in your thumbnails are cluttered. You don't want it to be messy. You want it to be clean and simple, because you want your thumbnails to be easily look at. You want your thumbnails to be clean and simple. So in this video, I'm gonna be showing you guys on how to make a clean, simple thumbnail using your mobile device. Let's get started. So the app we're gonna be using today is Snapseed. It's made by Google. It is cross-platform, which means it works on iOS and Android devices. So it doesn't matter if you're an iOS or Android user, Snapseed can still help you. So make sure you download it from the App Store or from the Google Play Store before we get started. So now, after you downloaded it, installed it, let's get started and let's jump into it. Okay guys, so the first time you open up Snapseed, it's gonna be asking you some permissions. What you wanna do is allow them to access something, okay? So now, once you've done that, click on anywhere on the screen to load up your pictures. Pick on any picture you want. Right here, I'm gonna be picking this one right here. So as you can see, this is the picture we're gonna be using. You can pick any picture you want, and as you can see down here, you can see looks. These are some of the filters that I already made for you, but I wanna be adjusting the brightness, contrast, and saturation, etc. manually. So to do that, go to Tools, go to Tune Image. And the reason why I want to adjust it is because we want to make our thumbnails pop and we want to make our thumbnails click worthy. Okay? So to change the brightness, we can move our finger left and right. If we move it the right, it's gonna be increasing. If we move it to the left, it's gonna be decreasing. So I'm just gonna be adding a little bit of brightness here, just to make things pop a little more. So to change the contrast, saturation, etc., scroll your finger up and down. You can see all the options here. You also have ambience, highlights, shadows, and warmth. So I'm gonna be going to contrast. So I wanna have the background a little bit darker. So there, and we're gonna be changing the saturation so that we can add more colors to it. So I'm already okay with this, but if you want, you can add ambience, highlights, shadows, warmth. The warmth is basically just the temperature. So that's what the meaning of the warmth. If you're done, click on the check button right here on the bottom right corner. So now we're gonna be putting some text on this. So click on Tools and click on Text down here. We're just gonna be making a simple, clean thumbnail. Alright, so I'm gonna be explaining all the options here down here, the buttons. So this one is the color tab. This one is the transparency or the opacity. We can adjust the opacity and the transparency. This one right here are the styles and are the fonts. So what I recommend if you're using this app is they give you a bunch of options for you, but my personal opinion, I'm picking the best one is this one, line number 2, like right here. Pick that, and the reason why, it's because this one is bold. This text right here, this particular font is bold, and you want your thumbnails to be bold and easy to read because the text in your thumbnails, you want them to be easy to read. Because right now, most people, watch YouTube videos using their mobile device. So you want your thumbnails and on the smallest form of device to stand out, which is the mobile phone. So that's what you want to do, is use bold, easy to read fonts. You don't want skinny fonts. You can use skinny fonts, but make sure to use them with caution. If you're just a beginner, if I were you, I will be using bold fonts. Actually, most YouTubers, even the more experienced ones, use bold text. And also, what helps is you need to make your thumbnails simple so that it's not cluttered. So, alright, now back to the tutorial. So right now, to change what it's actually gonna say, we actually double tap on the text, and we can change what it actually says. I'm just gonna be typing here, YouTube thumbs. I'm gonna be typing here YouTube first. Click on OK. Right here, we can move it using our finger, and we can rotate it or scale it down using 2 fingers. Just be careful here. You don't want to make any messes. It's gonna be doing that. I like to do a little rotation, and we should make this as big as possible so it's gonna be easy to read, because we want our thumbnails again to be easy to read, because right now people are most likely going to be seeing this on a mobile device. So make sure you're putting a lot of effort in your thumbnails. So I'm gonna be so now right now I'm gonna be changing the color. So go here to the colors tab, and they give you a bunch of options here. There should be enough colors, although they don't have a color wheel, but for what it is they offer, it's really good. So these are really nice colors. They're just not colors that are just put it here. There are basically good colors that you can actually put inside of your thumbnails. So I'm gonna be picking light blue here, because I like. No, I'm gonna be picking that. I'm gonna be picking. Oops. Just be careful while using this app, because sometimes you may accidentally move the text, and you may you might make things cluttered. So I'm gonna be picking yellow. There, and then click on the check mark on the bottom right corner. And then if you want to add another layer of text, click on tools and click on text. And basically, I'm just gonna keep doing that until I'm done. So let's go. Guys, so now if you're done making your thumbnail, then what you can do is you can go to tools, and you can add more stuff like the lens blur, frames. You can do more stuff, but for this I'm just gonna be doing a beginner's tutorial. So I'm just gonna be making a basic thumbnail, no advanced stuff. So now, to export this and save it into your device, click on export and click on saved. And all you have to do is go to your gallery and check it there. Now, if you wanna up your thumbnail making game, then make sure to click this video right here, this I button right here, because those are the 3 tips to make your thumbnails like a pro. So make sure you watch that video. Now, if you wanna grow on YouTube using your mobile smartphone, then make sure to subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe icon right here, and also by clicking that bell in order for you to never miss a video that I upload. And also guys, I'm going to be putting some links right here to some videos that I already posted or you might enjoy. And as always, have fun creating, and I'll see you next time.